Verisurf 2026 provides expanded support for the Renishaw equator that improves the accuracy of the machine and provides additional options for high-volume inspection applications. These enhancements are enabled through the use of Renishaw's RenCompare technology. With the introduction of the Automate module in Verisurf X8 in 2014, Verisurf added a proprietary cubic volumetric mapping to extend the equator's comparative functionality to full CMM capabilities. Branded by Verisurf as the CMM Master, this configuration is certified under ASME B89.4 to an MPE of 25 microns and a repeatability of 2 microns. Verisurf 2026 adds full support for Renishaw's intended comparator use cases to enable Golden Compare, which uses a master part that matches the nominal design, and CMM Compare, which uses a calibration file derived from CMM measurements of an imperfect master or sample part. With Golden Compare, the master part is first measured, and the deviations from nominal are used to determine the errors of the machine. Measurements of subsequent parts are then adjusted to compensate for these known errors. Using CMM Compare, the master part is measured on a CMM and analyzed to a CAD model of the part to establish an error model, which represents the part's deviations from nominal. The error model is used to create a calibration file that can be used on any Renishaw equator to account for errors in the master part when inspecting subsequent parts. The result is an inspection to nominal without volumetric mapping. With Verisurf 2026, you can increase the capabilities of your Renishaw equator through the use of Golden Compare and CMM Compare to increase inspection throughput.